Today we're taking a look at the Beebing. I don't know how you pronounce that. Beebing headphones. So these are wired headphones. Come in a nice little boxy here. Little manual in there as well. All right. So this is, oh, I like that. So this is how it looks, and you just plug this in. It is a Type-C port, so you need a Type-C Android phone. You do got power options right on here. You do also have control options on here: play, pause, volume up, volume down, skip, and go back. So let me pause for a second, and we're going to plug this in to our phone. All right, so we are back. This is what they look like. Actually look pretty nice. Let's go ahead, left and right. So they say L and R, which is good. So you know which to go in. We got audio playing. All right, they feel a little hard, like, okay, so having a little trouble putting them in. They don't want to stay in. All right, so you kind of gotta, let's make sure that's, yeah, that's a L for left. Okay, so they don't feel like they want to stay in that well. Like, no matter how we position them, let's try it. Yeah, no matter how. Let's switch to the R and the L. I'm curious. I want to just see if it would stay in more if we would turn it upside down. No. Okay. Alright, you know, doesn't hurt to try. Alright, so these probably are not going to be good for walking. Yeah, because, like, they feel like they want to come out. So these would be good if you're just sitting, listening, maybe gaming or something, but not actually like walking where this is like going left and right, because if we just keep going, like, it's working its way out for the most part. Bass tread and that's good. You know, as I'm talking, I'm listening. It kind of hurts sitting in your ear a little bit. I think they should have made like silicone around here, make like a silicone piece. There was nothing in our box. I don't know, maybe someone's box comes with it, but in our box, so it's kind of hard, so it kind of hurts a little bit. Yeah, you know, bass good, treb's good. Definitely not for walking, not for jogging, not for running, just simply for stationary, just sitting and listening or gaming or something like that on your desktop computer, but not anything where you're actually a lot of movement, because they can come out fairly easy.